this is question 6a. We've been given f of x is 6x positive 8, g of x is x negative 2 over 3. We are asked to find g of 1 over 2. We are asked to find g f of x in simplest form. We are asked to find f inverse of x. So let's start with the first one. Since g of x is x negative 2 over 3, therefore g of 1 over 2 is going to be 1 over 2 negative 2 divided by 3. The LCM is 2, so you get 1 negative 4 divided by 3, which is nothing but 1 negative 4 gives me negative 3 divided by 2, and you have a 3 here. Now this is actually 3 over 1, so I can rewrite this as negative 3 over 2 times 1 over 3. 3 gets cancelled, giving me 1 over 2. So therefore g of 1 over 2 is equal to negative 1 over 2. So that's the solution for that question. Now let's move on to question 2. It's g f of x. Okay, so this can be rewritten as g of f of x, but my f of x is 6x positive 8 and my g of x is x negative 2 divided by 3. So therefore g of 6x positive 8 is going to be 6x positive 8 negative 2. Substitute in place of x 6x positive 8. This is divided by 3. From 8 you take away 2, you get 6x positive 6 divided by 3. You take 6 out, you get x positive 1 divided by 3. 3 divides here 2 times. This is going to be 2 times of x positive 1. So therefore g f of x is 2 times of x positive 1. So that's a solution for this question. Now we have to find f inverse of x. So f of x is given as 6x positive 8. So this means I can rewrite this as y is equal to x positive 8. Now you replace x by y and y by x over here. So x is equal to 6 times y positive 8. Then you rewrite it for y. So move this 8 to the other side, you get x negative 8 is equal to 6y. Then you divide by 6 both sides. So you get y is equal to 6 gets cancelled. So y is going to be x negative 8 divided by 6. So therefore f inverse of x is equal to x negative 8 divided by 6. So that's a solution for this question. Okay, this is question B. I will have to draw the graph. And we have a hit like this. This line is A, B. The point of A is located in this fashion. The graph is not to scale. So this point A is at negative 2 and this point is 3 units. So okay, so this is 3 units. It's hitting. So if a coordinate, okay, I will come back to that. Now the point at B has a hit at 4 and across it is 6 units. Okay, this unit 6 units. Now this is the graph that is given. This dotted lines is not given. Okay, I've just drawn it so that you can understand that this is actually across 3 units. Below is negative 2. Now they are asking us to find, this is the first question, find the coordinates of A and B. Okay, that's the first question. So now clearly you see that x coordinate is negative 2, y coordinate is 3. and the b x coordinate is 4 and across is 6 units. So that's the first solution. Next, they are asking us to find the gradient of the line AB. Now A is -2, 3 and B is 4, 6. Excuse me, I'm going to take it as x1, y1, x2, y2. This is the gradient formula. It's also called as a slope. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 negative x1. So it's going to be 6 negative 3 divided by 4 negative of negative 2. 6 negative 3 is 3, 4 negative of negative 2, that means 4 positive 2, that's 6. 3 divides here 2 times, so that's 1 over 2. So therefore the slope of AB is 1 over 2, you can box that. Next, they are asking us to find the equation of AB. Now I'm going to write the equation of the line as y negative y1 is equal to m times x negative x1, and with the slope being equal to 1 over 2. So therefore the equation of the line being y negative y1 is equal to m times x negative x1. So -2, 3, I'm taking it as x1 y1. So I have y negative 3 is equal to 1 over 2 times x negative of negative 2. So this is going to be y negative 3 is equal to 1 over 2 times x. Now you have negative negative, that's positive, 1 over 2 is coming in, so it divides, so 2 gets cancelled, giving us x over 2 positive 1. I push this 3 to the other side, negative 3 will become positive 3. So therefore y is equal to x over 2 positive 4. So this is the equation of the line.